Here's an overview of our options for labeling your clothes and to help you choose the best solution for your needs. We offer 4 types of products to identify clothing: the new stick-on clothing labels, the multi-purpose stick-on labels, the iron-on labels, and the personalized clothing stamp. All of these products are washer and dryer safe. Before starting, wash and dry your clothes without fabric softener. Our new stick-on labels for fabric apply directly to the garment and are perfect for cotton, denim, polyester, nylon, fleece, and tightly knit fabrics. However, they do not adhere to coarse textured fabrics or fabrics that have been chemically treated. Place the label in a visible spot on the garment. Press firmly to remove any air bubbles, ensuring you focus on the corners. If applying to stretchy materials, do not stretch the fabric before applying, and wait 24 hours before washing the garment. Our multi-purpose stick-on labels are only applied to the garment's care label. Never stick them directly to the fabric. Choose the smallest size so it fits entirely on the care tag. Press firmly to remove any air bubbles, and wait 24 hours before washing the garment. For a permanent solution, use iron-on labels. These apply directly to the fabric with an iron. Here's how. Preheat the iron to the cotton setting without steam. Place the label on the fabric in the desired position. Cover with parchment paper and press the iron for 30 seconds, ensuring you focus on the corners. If the label peels off, check that the iron is hot enough. Wait 24 hours before washing to ensure proper adhesion. Our personalized stamp allows you to label your clothes in seconds. It's ideal for light-colored, flat and smooth fabrics. Place the garment on a flat and hard surface. Press firmly on the stamp. Wait 24 hours before washing. Wash in cold water to help the ink last longer. For fine and light fabrics, stamp on linings or collars. Black ink is more visible on light-colored clothing. For dark fabrics, opt for labels. At Colle, we are proud to offer 100% guaranteed labeling solutions.